Hello everyone. You're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. This video is the third part of 2021 NDA-NA CDS Airport FCAT last year questions of vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. Its vocabs are of 2013 year questions. So let's start. First word is rancor. It is a feeling of bitterness and anger. It means satruta. Synonyms are bitterness, hate, and kindness and liking are antonyms. So, example of rancor is avoid when puts past rancor behind and moves ahead. Next word, isolated. It is separated from other persons or things. It means alag karna. Synonyms are detached or separated and antonyms are connected. Example, many of the villages were isolated by heavy showers of rain. Next word, columns. A tall, vertical, cylindrical structure standing upright and used to support a structure. It means stump. Synonyms are pillars, shaft. Example, a series of columns supporting a large porch is typical of medieval architecture. Next word, abruptly. In a sudden, unexpected and sometimes unpleasant way. It means achanak, suddenly, rapidly are synonyms and gradually or slowly are antonyms. Example, the landscape changed abruptly after the snowfall. Next word, scintillating. It means sparkling or shining brightly. In Hindi, this chamakna. Synonyms are shimmering, bright, and dull is antonyms. Example, we saw scintillating fireworks display. Next word, pact. A formal agreement between individuals or parties. It means samjhauta like MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. Synonyms are treaty or agreement and antonyms are disagreement. Example, the pact has been in effect for 20 years. Next word, prudent. It means acting with or showing care and thought for the future. It means viveki. Synonyms are careful, wise, and imprudent unwise are antonyms. Example, he had a reputation of being a prudent businessman. Next word, converge. It is tend to meet at a point. In Hindi, it is milna. Synonyms are intersect or meet and antonyms are diverge. Example, there was a signpost where the two paths converge. Next word, zealot. It is a person who is fanatical and uncompromising in pursuit of their religious, political or other ideals. It means kattarpanthi. Synonyms are fanatic and enthusiast and antonym is apostate. Example, the violence erupted because of the zealot. Next word, dignity. It means the state or quality of being worthy of honor or respect. It means in Hindi it is gaurav of someone. Synonyms are nobility, honor, indignity, immorality are antonyms of dignity. Example, one must live life with dignity. Next word, singular. It is exceptionally good or great, remarkable. It means anokha. Synonyms are outstanding, remarkable, and antonyms is ordinary. Example, Europe, America, and Japan have taken to the field of science with singular vigor and activity. It means outstanding activity. Next word, industrious. It is diligent and hardworking, mehanti. Synonyms are hardworking, sedulous, and antonyms are idle or lazy. Example, Ant is believed to be the most industrious creature. Next word. Wholesome. Conducive to or suggestive of good health and physical well-being. It means plastic. Synonyms are nutritious, healthy, and antonyms are unhealthy. Example: the school insists on giving wholesome food to the children for the proper growth of their mind and body. Next word. Futility. Uselessness as a consequence of having no practical result. Vyarthata. Synonyms are uselessness, meaninglessness, and antonyms are usefulness. Example: as I look around, I see the crumbling ruins of a proud civilization strewn like a vast heap of futility. Next word. Eulogy. It means a speech or writing in a praise of a person or thing, especially a set oration in honor of a deceased person. Prasansa bhasad. Synonyms are praise or acclaim, and antonyms is calumny. Example: Mark Antony's eulogy of a Caesar is finally recorded by Shakespeare in his play. Next word. Intervention. Interference by a state in another's affair. It means बीच में पड़ना. Synonyms: interference and intrusion. Antonyms are non-intervention or no interference. Example: the government was reported to be considering military intervention. Next word. Discern. It is to recognize or understand as being distinct or different. It means in Hindi it is पहचानना. Determine and perceive are synonyms, and misconceive or disregard are antonyms of discern. Example: it is difficult to discern the sample on the slide without adjusting the microscope. Next word. So it's in all vocabs of 2013. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant. And for PDF you can join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant from the link given in description. Thank you so much everyone.